A resistor and an inductor are connected to an AC supply. So we have a resistor and an inductor connected to an AC supply of 120 volts and this is our inductor. The current I is 3 amperes. If the power consumed is 108 watts, then the resistance in the circuit is. First, based on the voltage, RMS voltage and the RMS current, we can say that the impedance is V by I, which is nothing but 120 by 3, which is 440 ohms. This is the value of set. This will be our first step. Next, power is given by half into Vrms into Irms into cos phi, which is 108. That is half into Vrms is 120, Irms is 3 into cos phi is 108, which is 12 tens, 12 threes, 2 ones, 2 fives. Cos phi value is 3 by 5, which is also equal to R by Z, where Z value is 40. So what is the value of R? It is 3 into 40 by 5, which is 24 ohms. Oh, there is no half here because we have used RMS. Please make a correction. If there is no half, we should get 3 by 10 or by 2 by 2. 24 by 2 is 12 ohms. Please make this correction. PS Vrms into Irms into cos phi. This is the actual form. That would make it as option A is the right option.